you scared? I can see you from behind.
Phew, damn scary. So without wasting much time, I will show you how to do this effect in Premiere Pro. But you should always remember few points. First, the color tone should be matches in the video. And second, the background color should be the same. Hello editors, so before we get started, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Abhijit. This channel is all about video editing. I will be posting some tips and tricks with you in video editing to make your editing easy and smooth. If that sounds interesting to you, consider subscribing and liking the video if you haven't already. In Premiere Pro, I already have the clip which I need to change in my timeline. Double click on this clip and select the shot which you needed. That's looking good. Click on the camera icon here. You can see a layer is pop up over the screen. Name this whatever you want and make sure check this import into project and hit OK. You can see photo is added over the timeline. Select and drag to your timeline. Then I want to change the face, or I want the face should be appear on my clip. So by selecting the photo and I go to the effect controls. Click on the pen tool icon here under opacity section and start masking the face of the host. You can maximize the clip or photo by clicking here and change it to 100 to 200%, whatever suits you. So we can mask the face of the host. Let me fast forward this process because I don't want to keep you waiting. When it is done, we need to adjust the parameter of mask. After doing all this, select the clip in which you want to adjust the face. For me, it is here, but you can see the face is getting off and not really good. So we need to adjust the position and scale of the face according to clip. Let me adjust it. Take your time to adjust it. Let me fast forward this process because I don't want to keep you waiting. Take your time to adjust it. And I need more darken face, so go to the blend option here and select the darken mode. And it's looking good. Okay, let me play it. It's already looking good to me. But what is missing? Let me pause this for 5 seconds and you guys write it in the comment what is missing. Yes, maybe you guys guessed right. It's glitch effect. Go to the effect panel and type VR digital glitch. But firstly, I will nest this sequence. You can name your nested sequence whatever you want and hit OK. Then drag the VR glitch effect in the nested sequence. You can see on the effect controls, effect is added. Under the glitch effect, drop down the distortion section and under this you can see the parameter which you need to set. Hit the stopwatch icon to create keyframe on X, Y, Z, complexity and rate. And set the parameter according to your choice. Let me set it and see for yourself. Then select the shift button on the keyboard and hit the right arrow key 2 times. It will forward to the 10th frame and reset the parameter of the keyframe. And set the pointer here and create a same keyframe, or you can simply copy and paste. And you can ease this keyframe by selecting the keyframe and right click and ease out. For here, ease in. Let me play it. It's looking good to me. And always remember, color tone and background color should be matched and create a scary feel. If you do not have it, then you can always adjust in lumetric scope. And the last, the sound effect, which make it more scary. You can download or create whatever you want. Let me play it again with sound.
Are you scared? I can see you.
Hope you like it. If you want to know the cinematic color grading tricks, watch left video, or want to know the fastest way to color grade, click on the right video. And you have any other tricks in your sleeve, Please let me know in the comment box. I love to know. Bye bye guys.